The weather is good. Look the sky.
It is. It's beautiful.
آسمون رو ببینید چقدر قشنگه. نصفش قرمز نصفش سفیده.
When we get around the corner.
Why are you is half and half dark and white?
Well, because it's getting ready to get dark. That's the sun setting in the west.
What?
The sun is setting in the west.
Mm-hmm.
So that way it stays lighter. It'll get dark here earlier.
Very beautiful.
To me,
It's
that just
so
looks
beautiful.
like a God's home.
Really?
That's what it makes me think of.
میگه اون ته خونه خدا. دیگه پیرزنا اینجا مثل پیرزنا ایرانن.
In the Bible, it talks about heaven and the streets of gold. There you go.
میگه کتاب مقدس عیسی مسیح نوشته که اونجا خونه خداه. دیگه این مدلی هم دیگه همه جا پیرا مذهبی هم دنبال خدا میگردن تو آسمون ها. the red یه تیکه قرمز آسمون، یه تیکه